Hello, Facebook Live. What's happening, everybody? Special Saturday night edition. Usually I don't go on Saturday nights. I had to escape from the restaurant and come next door to my office and do this. The restaurant's busy right now. Every table that we can legally sit has customers in it, guests in it, eating. I've done a lot of pickups, and I have to go out and do a big delivery here in a few minutes. Just wanted to give an update on Valentine's Day. Lots of people have been calling in today to reserve the Valentine's Day box or try to get Valentine's Day reservations for tomorrow. We're just about sold out for maybe we can fit like one more table in at 3 o'clock and maybe one more table in at 8 o'clock and that's it. With Valentine's Day reservations, we really don't have much left. Somebody actually called today and said, do I really need to reserve the Valentine's Day box today? I'll just call tomorrow and reserve it. You need to call and reserve the Valentine's Day box today. We have about 10 of them left. Only 10 Valentine's Day box left, and that is it, folks. 10 boxes, that's it. We're going to sell out on Valentine's Day boxes, which is what I thought and expected. So I am, it's Saturday night. I don't even know what time it is. I just came over to this quick Facebook Live. Phones have been ringing off the hook for Valentine's Day and for tonight. We've turned away a lot of people for tonight, unfortunately. So we apologize if you were one of those people that we've turned away. I wish we could see more people, but we can't. Good news starting on Monday. Many of you heard me talk about this, that I feel that it's unfair that I have to close at 10 o'clock every night just because I have people that are sitting here eating dinner. They come in at 9 o'clock, they drive up from New York City, they drive in, or whatever it is. They're here late. The same type of people that are eating at 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. And I'm not a bar. I'm not packing people in, lining people up with a bar. So I felt that 10 o'clock rule that Governor Cuomo mandate that he imposed was unfair. Starting this Monday, he's lifting that. Now we can stay open until 11 o'clock. So we can sneak an extra hour in to into the restaurant hours. But most people, I have to admit, are done eating by early, especially during the midweek. So it's really not going to affect us that much. But I can now, those people that are lingering there at 9:45, at 9:50, at 9:55, I don't have to rush them out anymore. It was terrible for me to rush these people out and say, well, you have to get ready to leave because I can't have you here anymore. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. We're not going to really stay open later. So that is, thank you very much, Rosie. Happy Valentine's Day to you and Jamie. Thank you very much. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, Rosie. Thank you. And everybody else. I'm in my office right now. I haven't done a Facebook Live or a video in my office in quite some time. I'm just going to have it. I've set up, since COVID happened, I kind of aborted my office over here 11 months ago. But I just hung up this picture today. That's Roger Bannister right there. That's Roger Bannister. That's one of my favorite pictures. I used to have it hanging on a different wall here. That's Roger Bannister when he broke the 4-minute mile. And I forgot the gentleman who's next to him. But see that gentleman next to him? His head is turned looking to see where Bannister is. He was a favorite to break the 4-mile minute, and he was also the favorite to beat Bannister in this race here in the UK. I believe this race was in the UK. And he was more worried about where Bannister was than where he should have been running. So as soon as he turns and looks and see where Bannister is, and he's worried about something else besides running, Bannister passed him. And the rest is history. Bannister was the first person to break the 4-minute mile. So I've always loved that picture. It was given to me by a business coach that I had years and years ago. So it's always meant something to me. Focus on your business. Don't focus on what other people are doing. Focus on your business. Run your business the best that you can, and don't worry about the other people. So I just rearranged that picture. So I love that. Love that picture there. Happy Valentine's Day to you. You should never have been closed or mandated to close at 10. So sick what is happening. Yeah, I've been very outspoken about this. Mandate to close at 10 o'clock. I felt it hasn't been fair from day one at all. So, it's still not fair. We have to be closed by 11 o'clock now, which means, we really don't do music anymore. We haven't done music since COVID hit. We've not done music since COVID has happened. because we're busy all the time with the limited amount of seats we have, and to be able to pay a band to come in or somebody else come in doesn't make sense. It'll cut down on our profits. So, but we hope to return to music at some point. We'd love to have music back again. We'd love to have Albie back and Brian Gordon back and our regular gang back. We'd love to have them back. Danny's saying inspired photo. Yeah, it really is a very, very powerful photo. That photo there on the wall there of Bannister minding his run and running ahead of the competitor there and breaking the 4-minute mile. So, and of course, once Bannister broke the 4-minute mile, a lot of people broke the 4-minute mile. I don't know if anybody's ever followed Roger Bannister and what people were saying about the breaking the 4-minute mile, because nobody had ever done it before. But there were medical doctors saying that it's physically impossible to break the 4-minute mile because your lungs would literally blow up in the human body. This is what doctors were saying, that it's impossible. Now imagine those kind of a lot of people, a lot of people trust the doctors. A lot of people trust their doctors, and they trust what medical professionals say. And these guys are the professionals. And imagine as an athlete trusting what a doctor would say and say, well, gee, that's not possible. I just can't do that. That's not possible. It's not going to happen because a doctor said so. But as soon as Bannister broke the 4-minute mile, like a dozen people broke it within the year because somebody had already done it. So everybody else knew, well, if he did it, why can't I do it? And the rest is history. The other gentleman, I believe, ended up breaking the 4-minute mile as well, but not that day. I think he ended up breaking it a while, next race or something. But yeah, that's thanks, Danny. That's a very inspiring photo. I've always looked up to that photo from one of my past business coaches. That's a 24 by 36 frame there. So I had it over here on the other wall, and it fell down last year and broke. I'm kind of happy to be back in my office and probably going to spend a lot more time in here. But I just wanted to come on live really quick. I got to get back next door. I have to go make a big delivery. I just want to get on live here and say, hey, there's about 10 Valentine's Day boxes left. Call and order them ASAP, 647-3000. You can call now. It's busy now, but you can call now. Jamie will answer the phone. Alex will answer the phone. Someone will answer the phone. We'd be happy to take your order for the Valentine's Day box. We're still running the $9.99 special that we're doing all week this week, which I have to think about it. What is our $9.99 special this week? It'll come to me. Usually Jamie's watching and cueing me in on this kind of stuff and telling me what to say. Wow, how did I forget the $9.99 special? Because I'm thinking about next week's. Next week is pulled pork. We're doing pulled pork again for $9.99 and 2 vegan brats with sauerkraut for $9.99. That's next week's $9.99 special. Last week's was shrimp. Gee, why am I drawing a blank on this $9.99? But we have 2 more days of it left. I don't even have my computer. I can't even look on my computer. And then tomorrow, again, of course, we are open for a la carte and takeout, but there's not many reservations left for tomorrow at all. Nothing at all left. Gee, this is really bothering me, the $9.99 special. I really don't know. Why can't I remember the $9.99 special? Beef teriyaki. Beef teriyaki is the $9.99 takeout special. Filet mignon tips, beef tips, filet mignon tips from the beef tenderloin, super tender, marinated overnight in some local tamari, some organic ginger, organic garlic, grilled up rare, medium rare, and then served with broccoli and organic rice. That is the $9.99 special if you want to order that, $9.99 at the door. And we also have, for another $9.99 special, we have... I remember this one. This one is a chickpea and eggplant. It's a vegan $9.99 with rice and broccoli. Normally that would be like $20-21 if you got it all together. It's $9.99 to go. So Jamie just sent me a message. Can you help me? Of course I can come help her. I've got to probably get this delivery out the door. But that's it. I figured I'd come on and just tell you what's happening here, and that's it. All right, folks, have an amazing night. Have an amazing weekend. It's supposed to start snowing tonight at 8 o'clock, 30% chance here in Ellenville. I'm not sure if I'm snowshoeing tomorrow or running tomorrow. It's supposed to end by 8, but one or the other. I got my long run in today, 12 miles, 1,000 feet elevation again. I ran up Lundy Road with a friend, and it was super cold. It was like 10 degrees this morning. Megan's saying, so excited to get my Valentine's Day box tomorrow. Awesome. Thank you, Megan. We appreciate it. And that's it, folks. I got to get going. Got to go help Jamie and everybody else. Talk to you later.